Yo, what's going on, everybody? I am back with another video, and with a PC that's not mine. It's not my personal build, and it's not anything that I built on this channel. It's actually my friend's build. So $2,000 build. It's beastly. We're gonna get into the specs a little later, but the issue with it is it doesn't turn on. Well, I mean, there's no power supply plugged in. You guys get it. It does not boot at all. So we're gonna pretty much, the premise of this video is gonna be my thought process on when he hit me up and said, you know, what's the issue with it? My thought process on the possible issues that it could have been and how we're gonna remedy it. So if you guys can, please make sure that you guys do smash that like button. Let's try to get like 30 likes on this video. I'd really appreciate it. We're almost at 1.3K followers. So if we can reach that within the next, month, and then, I don't know how much we're gonna grow, but please make sure you guys show a lot of love and support like you guys have been already, and I really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's find out what's wrong with this PC. All right, everybody, here is the PC. Ignoring the cable management, it is an absolute beast. We have a Ryzen 3700X processor paired up with 32 gigs of 3600 rated Trident Z RGB RAM, and we have an RTX 2080 Super. So this thing is an absolute monster. So the issue was, when he initially told me about the computer not booting up, I thought it might have been a BIOS issue, because I remember initially that if you had one of the newer Ryzen processors, that you needed kind of like an older processor to update the BIOS in order for your new one to work. So I was like really hoping that wasn't the case. So I finally got a look at it today, and I realized that he has a 650 watt power supply, and the connectors on his motherboard, he needs one more connector right there, the one on the left. So hopefully he went out and we got a brand new power supply, an 850 watt gold rated power supply, and we're hopefully gonna reconnect everything. I'm gonna route all his cables up properly, and then we're gonna hopefully, fingers crossed, that it boots up, and that's the only issue we have. So wish us luck, everybody. I'm gonna do kind of like a time-lapse video from there on, so if you guys wanna skip or if you guys wanna watch it, go ahead, but I'll see you guys in the final results. All right, so I kind of wanted more of a dramatic, type of effect going on, but I got it working. Holy shit. So what happened was, initially I thought this was the issue right there. So it kind of was. We got the CPU power cable. Let me move my fat fingers. We got the CPU power cable in there, perfectly fine working, and it didn't work. So the issue is that over here, as you can see, oh shit, no light, this man. Okay, so initially I'm just gonna explain it since you guys can't see. So the issue was that he had his power button right here. This was not linked together with the correct spot on the motherboard. So when you went to go click the power, boom, nothing happened. So I was like, shit, I'm telling you, I was so freaking pissed off that the fact that this thing did not work. And I was like, okay, I took around a look on the motherboard. I said, like legit, I had a Jimmy Neutron brain blast. I was like, wait, maybe the power button isn't connected properly. And when I tell you that was the issue, it was like, so it was, I'm sorry, it's really dark to see right here. It was right there. So I was like, wait, That's not connected to the front panel connector. I moved it around, went to the bottom right hand side. That's where it typically is on most motherboards, and boom, it started working. So, whew, thank you, Lord, I got it working. Hopefully he's happy with it. Sorry, let me focus a little bit. I know this video was not really, you know, the most high quality one I've done because I'm just honestly a mess right now, but I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. All right, guys, so we're gonna do one more boot. Boom. Oh. Yes, it is. Oh, God. I'm happy I got this done for him, man. I'm really happy I was able to get this to work. Again, the cable management isn't the finest right now, but overall, man, it works. So that's the most important thing. It works. Hopefully, we can get a signal. We're getting a signal. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, there we go. Yes. All right, so we're booted. Are we gonna touch the BIOS? Do we want to touch the BIOS? No. Okay, so we're gonna boot straight into the BIOS right now. As you guys can see, boom, everything is good and dandy. We're up and running. I'm so happy I got it fixed. I'm gonna have him do the rest of this. He's gonna do the BIOS. He's gonna change his RAM speed and everything. If he has any questions, I can help him out with that. But really, that's gonna be it for this video, everybody. So I want to thank you all very much for showing a lot of love on the videos and on the channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So please make sure you guys continue it. Oh my God, my hands are so wobbly and this thing is like shaking right now. But I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so very much for all the love on my videos. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.